Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Runway Act 2, so follow along. Ladies and gentlemen, you are going to jump into runwayml.com. This is where you'll find yourself. You are going to obviously log in. On the left hand side, you will see your dashboard, sessions, apps, workflows, and then Runway Watch. And if you go all the way down here, you will see generate video, but you can also click on all tools and you can see that they've got a large array of different tools that you can use. What we're looking for is generate video. Let's go and click on this. And what we need here is, you see at the bottom of here, it says Act 2. And here we need to drop in an image to actually animate, right? We can also use a video and then we can use a left. But for now, we are going to drop in an image and we're going to just use a small little prompt. So let's go and select asset. And here we are going to say drag and drop files. We now have this image and here we can describe our shot. So let's go ahead and say laughing hysterically. You can now go down and change the duration. So for now, we're going to leave it at 5 seconds and you can simply click on generate. Within a few seconds, you'll see on the right hand side, it says in queue and now it is generating. So let's give it a second. Our video is ready. Let's go ahead. Let's make it full screen and let's check the results. I mean, it's not terrible, but as we always say, a bad prompt will equal bad results. So if you enhance your prompt, you will get better results. You'll get more accurate results. I hope this was helpful.